Hi, it's Mrs. Robinson, one of the reading teachers here at Huntington. It's Monday morning, and we're going to start out with some of our Haggerty activities that we do in my classroom. Now, some of these activities are also done in the regular kindergarten classroom, but we go over them again in my class. So let's go ahead and start. I know that you've done this before and that you're getting really good at it, so that's the important thing. Okay, I'm going to say a word pair, and remember, a pair is how many? Two, like a pair of mittens, a pair of socks, two. All right, so you're going to give me a thumbs up if it rhymes and a thumbs down if it does not rhyme. Rhyming words have the same ending sound. So the first two words are map, wrap. Do those two words rhyme? Well, I hope you gave me a thumbs up because they do rhyme. They both end with app. Okay, how about the next two words? Fish, dish. Do those words rhyme? Well, I hope you gave me a thumbs up because they both end with ish. Fish, dish. So they do rhyme. Okay, how about tuck, door? Well, I hope you gave me a thumbs down on those two because they do not rhyme. They don't have the same ending sound. Crow, flow. Did you give me a thumbs up? Crow, flow. They both end with the O sound. Less, mess. Did you give me a thumbs up? Because those two words rhyme. Okay, now I'm going to say a word and you are going to tell me a word that begins with the same beginning sound. So if I say pick, you might say pay, pine, pig. Those all start with a P sound, okay? All right, so let's try sigh. Can you give me some words that start with the same sound as sigh? Okay, I hope you said something like send or sue or sip. How about like? Can you give me a couple words that sound start with the same sound as like? Okay, I hope you said something like lesson or lollipop or lemon. How about the word most? Can you give me a couple words that start with the same sound as most? Okay, how about mom, me, Michael? Oh, is there somebody out there named Michael? I think there is. Okay, how about it's? Tell me a couple words that start with the same sound as it's. Okay, how about itch or inch? Did you say the same word that I did on any of those? If you did, that's kind of fun, huh? All right, the next one, I'm going to say two sounds, and then you're going to say the word. Okay, so let's see if we can do this. E. What's the word? Hope you said me. How about go? Did you say go? A. Did you say pay? E. He. O. So, okay, I know you guys are pretty good at that one. Okay, now I'm going to say a word and you have to tell me the final sound, okay? So the final sound of log. So I can go like this, kind of help you out. Log. What's the ending sound? Did you say g? I hope so. This. The ending sound is s. Good. Job. What's the ending sound? Good. Did you say b? Good. Off. The ending sound is as. The ending sound is z. Good. Okay, let's keep going. Next page. Okay, I'm going to say a word and then you're going to segment it, okay, into two different sounds. So if I say the word bay, you're going to say ba-a. Is that what you said? Bay. Good. What about the word may? I hope you said ma-a. May. Good. The word is tea. Okay, tea. T-E. Is that what you said? Good. How about buy? Did you say buy? Buy. How about show? Oh, show. Is that what you said? Okay, good. And the last one is guy. Guy. Did you say I? Guy. Good. All right, now the next one is I'm going to say a sound and you're going to add a beginning sound to it. So if I say the word E, I want you to add the S sound to that and you get C. Okay, try it. Let's try another one. How about I? Add the sound to it and you get hi. Good. How about ooh? Add the y sound to ooh and you get you. Good. How about oh? Add the n sound to o and you get the word no. Good. How about say? Oh, I said it wrong. I told you already I was going to say a, and then you were supposed to add the s sound to it to get say, right? Okay, how about I'm going to say a word. You're going to take away the beginning sound and you're going to add and tell me what's left, okay? So if I say the word zoo, I'm going to take the z sound away. Tell me what's left. Did you say ooh? Okay, try this one. Way. I'm going to take the w away. And what's left? Did you say a? Good. How about fee? Take the sound away. What's left? E. Good. And how about buy? Take the b sound away. What's left? I. Day. Take the d sound away. What's left? Did you say A? You got it right if you did. Good. All right, let's keep going here. I'm going to say a word, and then I'm going to tell you to change the sound. Okay, so I'm going to say B. Take away the B and change it to S. What's that word? C. Good. Did you get it? Okay, the next word is, oh, it's still C. Now we're going to take the S sound away and we're going to replace it with Did you say he? Good. Okay, now we have the word he. We're going to take the H sound or the sound away. We're going to place it with and you get me. Good. Okay, we have the word me. We're going to take the sound away and we're going to replace it with wa. What word do we get? Did you say we? Good. We have the word we. We're going to take away the wa and we're going to replace it with a b. And now the word is, I hope you said B. Okay, good. All right, now what we're going to do is our sounds. I'm going to show you a letter. You're going to say the name of the letter and what sound it makes. Okay, so let's see if you can do this. I know you guys are good at it. So let me move it down this way so you can see it a little bit better. Ready? So I'll do the first one. C says K. Remember, X says X. It's kind of a hard one sometimes. E says like an elephant. Good. Okay. The last thing we're going to do now is a nursery rhyme. The nursery rhyme this time is Jack and Jill, and you guys probably know this one. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. A crown is her head, okay? So let's try it again. And you can actually sing it. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Okay, that's all for today. All right, you have a good day. See you later.